Next up, the Dead Drop that I'm pretty sure is new in D4. This one is in the Sattiq Cave complex. Zooming in, it's on the far north side, right about here. Obviously, you'll find some pushback when you come to this one, but it's by the cave entrance over here. So once again, in the bottom left of D4, or I suppose close to the bottom center of D4, right above the main part of the town, following the road up, just past where it turns, there's the cave entrance, and it's right just behind this here. Now, this may have always been here, and I've only noticed it now, or it's new with the new season, but behind here, you can see that right over here is the Dead Drop. It's easy to get to, although definitely not anywhere near safe, as there's just an incredible amount of AI in this area, and they're all very, very angry. So anyways, do be prepared for a fight should you choose to come here. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.